Maintaining a healthy gut is fundamental to overall well-being, as the intricate ecosystem of microorganisms residing in our digestive system plays a pivotal role in various aspects of health. The term gut health encompasses the balance and diversity of these microorganisms, influencing digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental well-being. Emerging research underscores the importance of a flourishing gut microbiome in preventing diseases and promoting optimal health. This introduction delves into the significance of nurturing a thriving gut, exploring the symbiotic relationship between our bodies and the trillions of bacteria that inhabit our digestive tract. For a harmonious and resilient foundation of wellness, probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. Including probiotic-rich foods in your diet can help support digestive health. Here are 12 of the best probiotic foods. Yogurt. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures. Greek yogurt is a good option as it often has a higher protein content. Kefir. This fermented milk drink is rich in probiotics and can be a good alternative to yogurt. It's also available in non-dairy options like coconut or almond kefir. Sauerkraut. Fermented cabbage is a traditional probiotic-rich food. Look for unpasteurized sauerkraut, as pasteurization can kill the beneficial bacteria. Kimchi, a popular Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, usually cabbage and radishes, seasoned with spices. Like sauerkraut, it's rich in probiotics. Miso, a traditional Japanese seasoning made by fermenting soybeans with salt and koji, a type of fungus. Miso is often used to make soup or as a flavor enhancer. Tempeh. This is a fermented soy product with a firm texture and nutty flavor. It's a good source of protein and probiotics. Natto, another fermented soy product. Natto is popular in Japan. It has a unique flavor and texture and is rich in the probiotic Bacillus subtilis. Pickles and brine. Traditional pickles that are fermented in brine, rather than vinegar, can be a good source of probiotics. Look for pickles in the refrigerated section. Traditional buttermilk. The traditional buttermilk that results from the fermentation process is different from cultured buttermilk. It's the liquid left after churning butter from fermented cream. Traditional fermented cheeses. Certain types of cheese, especially those labeled as raw or fermented, can contain beneficial bacteria. Examples include Gouda, cheddar, and Swiss. Sourdough bread. True sourdough bread is made through a fermentation process involving wild yeast and lactic acid bacteria. It can be a source of beneficial bacteria. Lassi. This traditional Indian drink is made with yogurt, water, and spices. It can be sweet or savory and is a refreshing way to consume probiotic.